imagine like if you have a business that works 24 hours and works anywhere, like wherever you go. Like imagine like even though you're traveling and then still the business is working for you, and not only a business that you can just um, stay there wherever you are, or you can go live, or you're looking for somebody to buy your stuff and everything, but you must try a business like we have, that we can travel, we can work, we have a full-time job, and we're making extra money through this business, and it's global wherever you are. We're here now in Toronto for another business trip, but um, it's helping us so much because we can work full-time job and we have another extra income from this kind of business. And this is my mentor.
Hello,
Fritzy.
everybody. Yes, I'm very happy and very proud for Lovely. So she's been here in the business for how long, Ate Love?
Almost 6 weeks
Almost
now.
6 weeks. But you know what? The system does really works, you know. That's why she's getting a lot of income from this one. Imagine getting 3-4 figure doing this on the side when you are doing your full-time job and the business is still running for you. Even when you sleep. So, di ba?
Yes,
Ang ganda ng
yes.
automation na ito. Actually, ito din yung nagustuhan ko sa business na to. Because when I started, I used to work 3 jobs. Just like maybe you guys watching this, 3 jobs is too much in our body. But I didn't have a choice because I didn't know about online before. But then, when I came to know about this business, I didn't know either. I didn't know how to start. Hindi ko alam paano gawin. But then, I just asked. I investigated na what's the business is all about. And it so happened that this business is running in automation. And the best part, you have a coach and a mentor that would help
You're
you
not
through.
alone.
Yeah, you're not alone. So, I took the chance of knowing it, inaral ko, tapos, syempre, I made sure na this business is legit. Kasi ayoko,
For sure.
yeah, because you know, business is business, right? So there is an investment. So ayoko ma-scam. And I found out that this business is real. Bakit real? Kasi it is registered to the federal government.